government will begin to consider the pardon requests for the jailed Catalan pro-independence leaders next week. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. Today from outside the High Court of Catalonia, where President Quim Torra had a hearing today for his second disobedience case. The 9 jailed Catalan pro-independence leaders, serving between 9 and 13 years behind bars, have fresh hopes of an earlier release. The Spanish government wants to reform the crime of sedition in the criminal code, and next week Madrid will consider calls for a pardon.
L'indult és un mecanisme de perdó, que no té res a veure amb una solució política.
A nosaltres ens sembla que els indults són una mena de resultat de negociacions opaques entre forces polítiques.
The Catalan president, Quim Torra, appeared in court today as investigated for a second disobedience case. It also involves refusing to remove signs in favour of the jailed independence leaders from public buildings as ordered. Ahead of his possible ousting for the first case, he did not answer in the cross-examination today. The 2021 Mobile World Congress will be postponed from March until June next year due to COVID-19. Its 2020 edition was cancelled when the pandemic began to spread across Europe.
While vaccine development continues, we will adjust our event schedule and move our flagship event, your flagship event, MWC 21.
Briton Wayne Griffiths has been named as the new president of SEAT. As head of the Catalan car maker replacing Luca de Mayo, he aims to make new electric vehicles in Catalonia. The enhanced COVID-19 social restrictions have been extended to Cerdaña in the Pyrenees. This includes a recommendation of staying at home and a capacity limit of 50% in bars and restaurants. And that's all for today. Many thanks for watching. We'll be back again on Friday, as tomorrow is a bank holiday in Barcelona for La Mercè.